Hola, von Burgerstein in the flesh, and today I'm playing Avastory with wings. So there's a bird with a round nose. So yes, that's a beak, and it says press X to play. We're on the same page here. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright. I'm committing mass birdicide. Am I not supposed to kill him? Oh crap! He's attacking! He's an enemy! Die! Oh no! Get out of me! Woo! 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 Yeah! Do 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 do. Climb, climb, climb. Oh! Oh! I'm a murderer. Whoops! Welcome to the Tory nest. Huh? Oh, you don't know what a Tory is? We are Tories. We are birds stripped of flight. Like penguins and ostriches and something. All thanks to humans. Well, that was a long time ago. Don't talk to me, you dirty Tory killer. I'm not a Tory killer. Ooh. Ignore the fact that I killed a bunch of Tories at the beginning. Are you a human? How did you get here? How the heck am I supposed to know? You ask me questions I don't know the answer to. You look strange. Like you can't fly. How useless. You can't fly either. Whoa. Heartless. Insulting me. Bro, I got a gun. You know what? Boom. Murdered you. Ha! That's what you get for insulting me. Whee! Whoops. Woo. Jump. Aw, I'm terrible at this jumping. This is some weird low G. Ah, dang it. Come on. I hate that. When you press like 2 buttons at once, your character stops jumping. Why do you humans take and destroy? Why do you fear what you cannot fathom and control? It's more violence than only resolve you can think of. Heck yeah! Let's do violence all the way! My grandfather used to tell me stories about an ancient elixir that humans brewed called beer. Let's have it that beer can make you forget about all your woes and worries. Have you ever had beer? Whoa, whoops. Let me skip all this. Make you forget about all your worries. Woes and worries. Have you ever had beer? Human? No. I don't drink. Because I'm kinda under the legal age. Too young to drink. The sentries. They look scary, but they're actually friendly. That is, unless you anger them. Well, the sentries have been here ever since the avastone was discovered. It allowed us to plant our souls into machines. It was an incredible discovery. The process was, well, irreversible. The souls of our strongest warriors were planted in the centuries in order to protect our race. But it wasn't enough. The humans overpowered us. Not before we were able to seal off the last of the avastone. Now the sentries guard the underground from anyone who might seek the avastone. Though like they originally were as Tories, they still resent conflict. You aren't here for the avastone, are you, human? What if I am? Huh? What if I come with my guns? Seeking your lives. Beyond here are the sentries. They are strong and relentless, but peace-loving beings. If you can human, please show some restraint. Okay. Or maybe I will. Ooh, I want to know what's that door? Whoops, almost shot that guy. I want to see what that door is up there. I still feel bad for killing all those people. Oh, the door is locked. It seems to lead to the library. Under the door is a message. Area closed due to developer time constraints. Ludum Dare 36. Huh? What does that mean? Yeah. Same here. Alright, Gabe Joel. What's the Ludum game? You gotta answer the question, and I need answers. Bird! Brr. The sentry's looking at you sternly. Is this because I'm a murderer? Hey you, talk. The sentry looks as if it's recalling something. The sentry looks distant. Whoops, I did not mean to shoot. I did not mean to pull the trigger into those birds' brains. That was not me. Not at all. The sentry is staring at you solemnly. Okay. The sentry is looking at you sternly. Okay. The sentry is looking at you sternly. Whoa! Man, I'm a great jumper. Look at these jumping skills. Do 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 do. Sentry staring at you solemnly. Did I already talk to you? Yeah. Wee. I've already been here. Did I just get lost? Yeah, I got lost. Wee. Holy cow. Dude, I jump fast and high. The sentry looks as if it is recalling something. The sentry is looking at you sternly. Bye, sentries. Thanks for not putting up a struggle. Ooh, chest. Pistol graded pistol plus. That's a pistol? This is a pistol? It's a huge pistol. Ah, you must be human from the ports. You only just arrived and already you managed to kill 6 of my brethren. As humans never change. Something. Well then, there can only be one reason you're here. The Avastone. Heh. I never thought I'd have to fight again. But what else does a stone-hearted murderer like you deserve? Nothing but well-served death. Yeah! Oh no! Get away from me! I didn't mean to do this! No! No! Woo! 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 You're strong! Woo! No! It's a misunderstanding! I'm misunderstanding no matter! Ah! Don't kill me! But I'm not a murderer! So take my bullets! No! Woo! Oh. I'm out. I can't flee for my life. Oh no! He's pooping on me! Ah! Poop rain from the sky! Woo! Ow! Whee! 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 No! Alright. I'm gonna end it here. I murdered! Huzzah! Poop rain from the sky! Woo! Okay. I'm gonna play this right again for the peaceful route. Let's go. And now for the worst part of the video, arrivederci from Hamburg.